2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. This truck is stuck in drive, so I'm gonna see what's going on here. I'm gonna take out the battery first to take a look at the transmission cable and the neutral safety switch, how it looks there. 13mm bolts here for the battery plate, as you can see, 4 of them. Alright, and this is the neutral safety switch with the transmission cable. I'm gonna move both of them, most likely the neutral safety switch, to see if it's stuck or everything looks good. And I'm able to move it, so this doesn't look stuck at all. Alright, I just figured out here that the neutral safety switch is in park, but inside the truck the shifter is showing that it's in drive, so something is wrong here, maybe the transmission cable, I don't know, let's see. Alright, here inside the truck, as you can see, it's in drive, the shifter is in drive, but I cannot make it go in any other gears, I can't move it, it's so hard, it cannot be moved. So, but in the engine compartment, the neutral safety switch with the transmission cable looks normal, everything is in park, so I'm gonna see what's going on here. They just told me they pushed this button here trying to get the shifter out of drive, but they couldn't do it. So I'm gonna see what's going on. Now using a flathead screwdriver, a small one, we're gonna pry out this plastic in the center here of the shifter, pry it out, and it comes out very easily. As you can see here, it's out already. Now down here you'll see a lock, just pull it out, it comes out very easily. Oops. Pop out like a rocket here. It goes in this position like this here, and just lift this up like this. To pull out this tray, just pry it from beneath and it comes out. It only has clips beneath. Pull connectors out here. These connectors are tips, and this one you just pull it out for the cigarette lighter like this. I just turned on the engine right now just to see, but it does because it's in park. The neutral safety switch is in park, but here is something different. It's showing that it's in drive. Alright, off camera, I went to the neutral safety switch, moved it, and I came here, but here it doesn't move at all. So I also checked the transmission cable under the truck and everything looks good. Alright, I'm gonna take out this console here, one Phillips here, and another one on the other side. And you will find some other Phillips here, just remove them on top of the console. This up, take this cover off, and you remove 2 screws again right there. And 4 10mm bolts, as I said. There's supposed to be another screw here. This one here. This is the cigarette lighter here. Just press on the tab here. Press on these tabs. You can choose one of these screwdrivers. And you gotta do on a normal size. Right there. Here has another one too, right there, like this. See this, the clips here? Alright, now I'm gonna disconnect the shifter cable here because I want to try something. Alright, now that I disconnected the shifter cable here, I'm gonna see if I can pull it out by hand with the key on and see if it changes here in the instrument cluster. Alright, engine is running, hit the brake pedal just in case, and now I'm gonna be pulling the cable here and see if that changes in the instrument cluster. This is in reverse and the car is moving. That's in neutral right there. Okay, here is in drive, and I have the emergency brake engaged also. Alright, so pulling the transmission cable by hand changes all the gears, so no problem with that. So I already know that there is no problem with the transmission cable. So let's look at something else here. Alright, I see the shift interlock solenoid tries to unlock, but it doesn't get to unlock completely. That's why I cannot change gears. Oops, I see the transmission cable came off here again. I'm gonna put it back here and the pin, and to see if I can make it work again. Alright, I just put the transmission cable back, and I see that the shift interlock solenoid is engaged at all times, but if I keep it down like this, I'm able to change gears with no problem. So this is the problem here, the shift interlock solenoid. The cable is transmission cable is normal, it's not having any problem. So this is the problem here. So if I'm holding down the interlock shift solenoid, I can move the shifter to anywhere with no problem, as you can see. Alright, update here. I run out of battery on my camera, so off camera I lubricated the entire console here, including the shifter interlock solenoid here, and everything is working fine right now. The shifter is changing gears very smoothly with no problem. So I fixed it only by lubricating the entire area here with spray silicone and grease. Don't forget the connectors here, and this one too. Remember one more time, all I did was lubricating the entire area, the entire console, including the shift interlock solenoid, and that's all it needed. I lubricated with spray silicone and grease at the same time, and now we're changing gears with no problems at all, very smoothly. Thanks for watching this video, and God bless you all.